Now is 67 less 65, it's equal 2. Okay, it's not execute this, and I will continue with 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, got it. Now I will move to the next, that is this. The mean between 65 and 65, 65 and 66 is 65. Between this and this, 67. Okay, this is not execute because it's the same result, and we have a new length that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got it. Now, no, less. Now here, 66. Okay, is the same, but in this case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. Now move to the next. It's again between 66. Yeah, still in the same. In this case is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here 64. In this case between 65 and 64, well, the mean is that 64. Now is 67 less 64, it's equal 3. Okay, now I can execute this, and in this moment mean it's equal between 65 and 64. What is the mean? What is the mean between this that is here and this that is this? Okay, the mean is 64. Okay, now the next, that the max between 65 and 64 is here. Is the problem because this is updated with this. I think that here is max. Okay, let me check. The mean here is 64 and the max is 67. Okay, if this is removed, if I remove this, okay, the max is this and the mean in this moment is this. Okay, in this case, if I am removing this, if I am removing Okay, I'll be back. Now, okay, I have this though. For example, if I am removing this and this represent the max or the min, how can I discard? We have 67. Uh-huh. The mean in this case, well, yeah, the mean in this case is 65. Because if I know the maximum, I know that the minimum is this, 65. If the minimum is not this, no, is, if the mean is 64, plus 2, it's equal 66. For example, this is not, okay, in this moment, yeah, I stop it here. But okay, yeah, in this case, if I know the mean, for example, the mean is here, but mm, 64 plus 2, it's 66. Hmm. Oh, oh. Mm, well, I think that what happened if I am tracking the elements, for example, the first 65, next 66, 67, this is omit because it's inside them. This is the same, this is the same, and always have in the top the maximum, and only is consulting what is the maximum between this and this is this. Okay, this is remove it, and I can remove it from here. Okay, yeah, for example, if I start here, L, and the air is equal here, okay, the max in this case is 65, yeah, 65, okay, move to the next is this, between 65 and 66, what is the is major, is 66, okay, now this is the first, Now move to the next. Okay, now this is the top. Move to the next. X is here. Okay, is omit. Move to the next. Is here. Is omit. Move to the next. Yeah, appear here. Move to the next. In this case, it's not appear here. Yeah, but here is the mean. $65. I need to ask what is the max between 65 and is this? No. Okay, I can continue. Is this? No, I can continue. Is this? Yeah, in this case is 67. I need to replace and oh, come on. Move to the next. That is 66. Yeah. And now if I move this to this position, still in the same, and the same. But I'm not sure. Okay, let me try to translate this as a code. In this case is hash set. Integer set it's equal new hash set. Now here is if set add a duplicate. I'm not sure if avoid operation or replace the previous value. But set ignore the duplicate value. Set are descent to unival and adding a value that is already present in the set. Okay, let me check. Should we return in the same order? 23 and 12. Okay, yeah. Here it's not necessary this. It's only enough with set.add max and in here is what happened is okay, I have 65, 66, 67, 60, that's it. And the max is equal 67. If I have 65, 66, 67 in this order, now is validate the max that is 67. No, is the mean. that is 64. Where? Here. Is 64. Means that if this is the top, and is iterate, and here is a while, set dot peak, it's minor that it's different that max, set that remove, and L++. In this case 65 is the top, that is 67, no. Okay, move to the next. 66. Okay, I think that I can change this. In this case, set the peak is 67. Mean plus 2 should be greater that greater equal, no, it's minor equal that this. In this case is 64 plus 2 is 66. It's minor that, no, the max should be 67. 66 should be greater equal that the peak. In this case I remove. And now here is set dot peak. And max is between, no, the mean is this. What? Set operations. I don't know why I translate this in Spanish. What is this? No, this is SQL. Sorry. Set in Java. Is this? Accessing element. I think that is this. if instead do this, what happen if I only remove this element to this? No, okay, I will check the answer because I'm confused. Sorted map, no, pretty Q. Okay, I was trying to solve with islanding with monotonic Q. 2 pointers. Oh yeah, sure. With the Q, I can do this. Okay, maintain the min Q, maintain the max Q. And it's apply this operation. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, all the time tracking the max elements and the min elements for apply this operation. Okay, nice solution. I like this solution. Is this? Well, I think that it's enough for this transmission, but thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.